Top 5 Acoustic Guitar. Number 5. Yamaha FD01S. Combining quality woods and outstanding tone at an outstanding value. Solid spruce top with NATO, Eastern mahogany, back and sides. Rosewood fingerboard and bridge. Gigmaker Deluxe Acoustic Guitar. Free shipping on eligible orders. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Fender Fa 115. Full-size dreadnought body for full and vibrant tone, suited for all styles of music. Everything you need to start playing straight out of the box. Rosewood bridge with compensated synthetic bone saddle. 20-fret rosewood fingerboard with dot inlays. Laminated spruce top. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. Fender CC60S. Includes the CC60S, along with gig bag, picks, a strap, a spare pack of strings. Comfortable walnut fingerboard with rolled edges. New, easy to play neck shape. Mahogany back and sides. Solid spruce top. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Seagull S6 The Original. Canadian Wild Cherry, finish, semi-gloss custom polished finish. Select pressure tested solid cedar, truss rod, double function. Compensated tusk by Graptec. Silver leaf maple integrated set neck. Rosewood. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Epiphone Dub Pro. Rosewood fingerboard and perloid parallelogram inlays. The Dub Pro also has the dovetail neck joint. Slim taper D profile. Solid spruce top and maple back and sides. Warranty and support issues. Please check out the description for details and update price.